Kia ora, I'm Catherine Epps. I'm Head of Health and Technical Services at Worksafe, and I've been asked to talk to you briefly about how I've been leading a resilient healthcare approach through COVID-19. So for those of you that don't know me, I have been Incident Controller at Worksafe since the end of January in relation to tackling COVID-19 and leading the process for changing the way we work. I've then been seconded into the Ministry of Health for 3 weeks as the Acting Chief Allied Health Professions Officer, and I've now returned to my day job as Head of Health and Technical Services at Worksafe. All of the above experiences have taught me about the importance of working with others for our common goal of eliminating COVID-19 in New Zealand, and just how important it is to use our relationships, use our connections, and to be striving together in the same direction. We're adjusting and adapting as we go through the alert levels, and I've found that I've needed to do that sometimes hour by hour, definitely day by day, and always week by week, so that I am moving in what I'm doing and how I'm working to meet the needs of the situation. So practically for me, this has meant regular and frequent contact with my teams. In fact, we've probably spent more time chatting and talking than we usually would in the workplace. And we've found that mixed types of contacts are really important. So we use both planned and unplanned conversations through social media, phoning each other, video conferencing, so that we can continue to adjust and adapt to the situation and what is expected of us. Now as we reach new stages with the alert levels shifting, we are also seeking to adjust how COVID-19 work will become part of our everyday work for some months ahead. Looking after myself has also changed too. So with being in a lockdown situation, I've needed to use my downtime differently. And this has been a mix for me of physical exercise to try and keep myself stretching and flexible, as well as having some cardiac exercise. And for me, I've also needed more still time than I usually would. I've particularly relished watching old movies and TV, as it's been both comforting and reassuring during these times of change. Martini, Mamano, Karapa, Tifai. Thank you.